To provide what someone needs for a short period of time.
Keep. Keep. Dinner is at 8, but I had an apple to keep me going.
Used to say that something is making progress.
Forward. Forward. This is a big step forward for democracy.
To provide enough money for someone to live.
Keep. Keep. I can't keep a family on that salary.
A shape with a square base and 4 triangular sides that meet to form a point at the top.
Pyramid. Pyramid.
The stones were shaped into a pyramid.
A type of fat in your body that can cause heart disease if you have too much.
Cholesterol. Cholesterol. The doctor said I had high cholesterol.
To make certain that someone always knows what is happening.
Keep. Keep. Keep me posted on anything that happens while I'm away.
Relating to the ordinary people or things in a country and not to military or religious organizations.
Civil. Civil.
They married in a civil ceremony.
To practice a play, dance, etc. in order to prepare for a performance.
Rehearse. Rehearse. We usually rehearse on Wednesdays.
To make something good exist again.
Restore. Restore. Peace has now been restored in the region.
To stop doing something before it is finished, or to stop following a plan, idea, etc.
Abandon. Abandon. The match was abandoned because of rain.
As a type of something.
Bye. Bye. He sent me some flowers by way of apology.
To move or develop at the same speed as someone or something else.
Keep. Keep. We have to keep pace with the changing times.
A problem or situation that makes you suffer a lot, especially because you are very poor.
Hardship. Hardship. They have suffered years of financial hardship.
If you have to do something by law, it is illegal not to do it.
Bye. Bye. They have to provide a contract by law.
To try not to be noticed.
Keep. Keep. She has kept a low profile since the divorce.
A magazine containing articles about a particular subject.
Journal. Journal. A medical journal.
In general.
By. By. By and large, people have welcomed the changes.
To continue to know about someone or something.
Keep. Keep. He changes jobs so often I can't keep track anymore.
When someone wins a game, competition, or election.
Win. Win. It was United's 6th consecutive win this season.
To remain calm.
Keep. Keep. You did well to keep your cool in all that panic.
As said by a lot of people.
Bye. Bye. The party was, by all accounts, a great success.
Certain or based on facts.
Concrete. Concrete. They think she killed her husband, but they have no concrete evidence or proof.
To watch carefully for someone or something to appear.
Keep. Keep. Keep an eye out for the delivery van.
Extremely bad.
Disastrous. Disastrous. A disastrous week.
Having views of the attractive, natural things in the countryside.
Scenic. Scenic. A scenic route.
To do what you said you would do.
Keep. Keep. He agreed to come and I'm sure he'll keep his word.